Hello everyone. Today I will tell you story of my friend Rajiv who was going abroad for the first time. And I have given the title to this story as Pleasure to See, Know and Be Helpful. My friend Rajiv was going abroad for the first time. He kept small amount of money in cash and rest he converted into draft. The small amount cash was used in the aeroplane and while getting down at France. He had only £2. Withdrawing money from draft was not possible because Rajiv had lost that draft. In the aeroplane, there were two Indians who were citizens of English. Rajiv requested them for help, but it did not come. A place where he had some hope, he walked to that place, he also did not help. Then he had only £2. He wanted to use to stay in hotel and spend night. He did not eat anything. Finally, he thought of going to university. He thought he may get help from Indian students. He thought of going to university on foot. He saw three student girls. Rajiv asked them the route for university. They asked Rajiv name of roads that he knew. Rajiv could not tell any name. They understood that Rajiv was new to the area. These three girls started walking and Rajiv followed them. On the way, the girls met a friend. They requested him to help him reach university. In about 10 minutes, both that boy and Rajiv reached university. In university, no one helped him. He walked back. He thought of spending night in Christian library. He sat on a bench. An aged Englishman was looking at Rajiv. He asked Rajiv whether he knew English. He became happy to get the answer from Rajiv. He took Rajiv to canteen to talk to him. The man was happy that Rajiv took tea and toast. He ordered two more toast. Rajiv told that it does not take non-veg. The Englishman gave address of two places where he would get vegetarian food. Rajiv could get vegetarian food for free. Rajiv thought that why not go to airport? Perhaps his airport might still be there and he may get the lost draft also. Airport was 5 miles away. Rajiv walked to the airport. Luckily, the aeroplane was still there and he found his lost draft also. Rajiv had to go to America. He did not get any difficulty in America.